What's going on, everybody? I'm Fearless, and today we are making a beat for Yeat's new album called Afterlyfe. And if you got a chance to hear it, it was a pretty good album. There was definitely some bangers on there, but we're gonna be making one of those deep, dark, synthy beats that you hear across the whole thing. So if you guys are ready, let's jump right into this. There was a lot of beats on this album that I was really f***ing with, and what I noticed across the board here is that some of these melodies were more slow and laid back kind of vibes. So we're gonna go for something like that, but we're still gonna turn it up with them synths that you know Yeat would go crazy on. So I have this one picked out right now. It's a lead sound, and it reminds me of like an alarm or something. Let's go up an octave or something. Maybe we'll do it a little quicker though. Let's go over here. Done. Good to go. Let's move on to these drums. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. We're gonna sauce this up a little bit more. That would be crazy though. I had you for a second. I know I did. Let's just add some like little notes going up and down right here. You know, we could drop it down. Ooh, that sounds nasty. That sounds like some dubstep. Yeah, I think playing off these two notes, it just works so well. Let's try this again. Let's just keep doing this. Almost like going back up afterwards. Okay, actually, hold on. Okay, that's it right there. All right, yeah, let's copy this over now. And I know I just said we're going for some chill vibes, but stay with me for just a second. We're gonna throw a halftime on here because when you have crazier melodies like that and you throw a halftime on it, it sounds so much better. So you kind of have to do that. I know, I'm contradicting what I just said. But hold on, let's try out halftime now. That's cool. Yeah, that's nice and dark. Let's just duplicate this layer. This is something that I like to do a lot. And we'll have one layer that doesn't have the effects on it. So we'll take off the halftime. We're going to turn it off for now, but we might have that lead come back in its crazy Dragon Ball Z form, whatever you want to call it. And we'll have this be the primary, the dominant, the leading melody. Ooh, I like how that, like, it almost feels like it's transforming. It's like morphing. Yeah, we're going with that. We're going with that one. All right, I got this pad. So I'm almost thinking that we just do something like this. We just want this to be really simple. Maybe we go up and keep it like this also. The other thing I want to add now before we jump into the drums is the signature Yeat bell. And I believe I have one of these bells in the Lost Treasure drum kit as well. So let's check that out. Yep. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. All right, let's jump into these drums. We're going to go absolutely crazy with these. The first thing that I want to do is find a stomp. And I have some dope stomps in the Blizzard Storm drum kit, so that is perfect. I'm thinking this one, actually. Maybe we'll use this one. So what I noticed on quite a few of these tracks on the Afterlyfe album is what they'll do is they will combine an 808 with almost like a bass stab sort of a sound. So I want to try doing that in this beat. Yeah, something like this right here. Something like this. maybe we can even just copy this over and maybe we double it up right here just to switch it up a little bit. Let's also put this up an octave really quick. Yeah, there we go. All right, let's play with these notes a little bit more though. Hold on. Yeah, I think it sounds better that way, so let's keep going like that. That's dope. Now let's find the 808 to complement this. Yeah, that's gonna be dope. Let's try this out. Yes, sir. What the hell? That's crazy. I already know you guys are going to ask where this Crush SPINZ 808 is from. It's from a pack that I gave to my VIP audio hackers. So it's not for the public. It's only for that group. And yeah, sorry, I know it's a badass sound, but that's part of the perks of being in the audio hackers. We're going to put the kilohertz reverser on the hi-hat, and we have them mixed down quite a bit. And we're going to go crazy with some effect tricks here. I'm thinking we put some tonal delay on this. And then let's play with this loop stuff right here. We're gonna use some of these hi-hat rolls in here as well. Yeah, let's use this reverse one right here. This thing's freaking hard. And if you want, you can just pull this back right here and you just have one reversal. And if you want both of them, you can just do both. But we're just gonna go for the one reversal right now. You know what can be really cool on these as well is if you put this Haas effect plugin by the kilohertz on here, it goes absolutely crazy. And by the way, all these kilohertz one that you see I'm using, these are all free too. You just got to go to their website and download them. But this Haas thing is cool. It just does the Haas effect on either the left or the right channel. It'll make this hi-hat thing sound crazy. Check this out. Let's switch these around, actually. I want to have these ones come in right here. And honestly, putting it down to a B sounds pretty good too. Yes, exactly. All right, we're going to get one more of these rolls in here. And we're going to pan this all the way over to the very right here. So it's just playing way over to the right in your ears. Let's get a kick in here. I think I want to go to the Lost Treasure kit for this one, though. There was some heavy kicks in there, and that's kind of what I'm looking for this one. Maybe we'll just go with this Amethyst one. Why not? Let's turn it down a little bit. Alright, we got a dope loop. Let's start to play with the arrangement a little bit. I think at the very beginning, we'll just pull that regular lead in, the one without all the plugins that we put on it. And then we'll have it drop right into the drop here. We'll go for a couple bars. We'll copy this over. And maybe we don't have the kit come in right away. That'll come in next. And then in fact, right here, why don't we go ahead and switch over to this other synth one more time, this other lead, and then we'll build it in again. And then we'll have this duplicate over again like this. And in the meantime, we'll have this come in here, but we'll cut this out like this, maybe like this. Let's see how this is sounding. Maybe we pulled just the 808 in. Let's see. A mix and master. This already sounds badass. Peace out.